Welcome. In today's quick guide, you'll learn exactly how to turn off dark mode in the Facebook app. Whether you're tired of the dark background or just prefer the classic light look, these simple steps will get you there in no time. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're using the latest version to ensure all the options look the same as shown here. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen if you're on an iPhone, or the top right if you're using Android. You'll see the familiar menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, scroll down through your menu until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. It might be near the bottom, so just keep scrolling until you spot it. Once you do, tap it to expand more options. Under this menu, you'll see a button that says Dark Mode. That's what we're looking for. Tap on Dark Mode, and you'll be taken to a simple screen with 3 options: On, Off, or Use System Settings. If you want to completely turn off dark mode and go back to the bright classic Facebook look, just choose Off. The screen will instantly switch from the dark background to the light one. That's it, you've officially turned off dark mode in Facebook. Before you exit, take a moment to look around and make sure everything matches your preference. If you ever decide to switch it back later, you can come to the same spot and turn dark mode back on just as easily. So, to recap quickly, open the Facebook app, tap the menu icon, scroll to Settings and Privacy, select dark mode, and toggle it off. Super simple, and now your Facebook is back to the bright look you prefer. If this guide helped you, be sure to click like and share it with someone who might need the same quick fix. And if you want more easy app tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and stick around for more helpful tips.